Hey everyone! So today we're working on a 12-inch round. We're going to do a dirty pour. I'm using the PBO paints that are mixed with the PBO gloss medium. I picked that up at the Jerry's, well, Art in Carolina show from Jerry's. And I'm going to do 2 cups. I'm not going to spray them with the WD-40 because I want to see how many cells we're going to get. Because the last couple of videos I've done, we got a ton of cells, and I put 1 drop of silicone. So I'm going to start with some black. This is their Mars Black. And I'll follow that with some yellow ochre. Let's do, I believe this one is Cad Lemon Yellow. It's fun to mix up all the colors and play with them. Alright, and then we're going to go with the burnt umber. I want to use these up. I'm a little out of breath because I was running around here today. Okay, killed that one. Then we're going to go with, I believe this one is Cad Yellow Medium. I'm going to put a little bit of white there. Not a lot. Because I do want to get this hooker's green in here. Okay, finish off this black. We are going to try this medium with our paints too on a video coming up. Cups look yummy already. Just want to lighten this up a little bit. Plenty of paint. Plenty of paint. Alright. Let's give those a tiny swirl. Let's see what we can get. Flip those cups over because I've been getting some wonderful skins. I'll start off on the side. I think that's going to be plenty of paint. I want to get that green in there though. It's not going to cooperate. Alright, tiny little torch. Pop some air bubbles. The magic's happening already. Make sure I'm all covered. That big cell off of there. So I want the black in there. Alright, let's leave it there. Alright, so I'm going to give it a quick torch and then we're going to wait 10 minutes. And we'll be back in 10. Okay, I'm back. We have cell explosion. Just a few air bubbles. Let me just pop those. crazy. And the runoff is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to be pulling some tiles. Let me just get this wiped off and I'll show you a close-up. Look at that. It just explodes. It's just amazing. So I'm loving their product, and that's PBO. And they dry glossy finish, so as shiny as it is right now, that's how shiny it will be when it dries. So let me move this and we're going to pull from those skins. And I'm going to get some tiles because I have some leftover paint here too. I can probably get 4 tiles out of that. So I already know where I'm going. So I just pick it up with a palette knife. And just slowly drag and let the paint fly off of the knife itself. And it doesn't look like much right now, but watch when we hit it with the torch. You can always get your sides with the paint that's left on your knife too. Alright, watch. Already got a few popping. And let me move that one aside. And then you can watch it grow. This is beautiful right here. I'm hoping I can grab that without losing too much of that. Pull my pad tight. Scoop it up. Here. I don't like to waste paint. I usually can find enough to pull. And when you don't think you have enough on your knife, you can dip your tile first just to get it wet. Ooh, I got some pretties under that cup. I'm going to put some of this on the tile first. Because I'm going to go back with that scoop of black over there. Well, now I don't know. Kind of liking that one. We'll use that for a different one. But I just wanted to show you how to pick up the skins, the runoff, and make tiles, or you can leave it and let it dry and make jewelry. It's really cool. So I'll leave those there, but this is the first one that we pulled. It's getting lots of cells. Sometimes it'll look like it's all the way to the tile, but more than likely it's just a light color. And it's okay, because you're going to seal them with resin anyways. Let's do one on dirty. Let's do a dirty pour on this one. These are my singles. I have a drawer full of singles. Sometimes I pull 5 or 6 tiles and I only need 4 for a set. These make nice little gifts for coworkers and, you know, someone you just want to give one to, have on their desk or in their shop or office. I'll hit that with the torch. That one will be beautiful as it grows. One more, guys, one more. So on this one, I'm going to grab this scoop of stuff here and just lay it across. So I have a dark background. Got some beautiful stuff in the cup. You know, if you don't like your tiles too, when you pull your skins, you can always draw something on top of those with a paint marker and then seal them with resin. I love the stone coat resin for tiles because it's heat resistant, but you do need a 30-day cure, otherwise you'll get marks on them if you stack them. So keep that in mind when you're doing resin tiles. That's going to be gorgeous as it grows. So guys, that's it for this video. Join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on the channel. We have a great time, and we feature some new products once in a while. Alan showed off his little mini leaf blower this past Monday. And also, check out my Amazon shop. I do have the PBO pouring medium in there. I bought 3 gallons of this stuff, so I'm going to play with it quite a bit. I am going to try mixing it with our Parage Posse paints in the jars and see what effects we can get, because those have shimmer in them. They should be beautiful. But there's lots of other things in my Etsy shop that you might need for acrylic pouring. We have it all. Torches, everything. So check that out. The link is below for that. Check out my Etsy shop. I have lots of jewelry in there. Some acrylic skin jewelry as well as Christmas jewelry. And I also have the jarred paints in there if you want to purchase through there and ship through there. Or you can contact me privately. The email's below. But Stone Coat Art Coat Resin code is below as well if you want to get some Stone Coat to do your tiles. That tile is just getting more beautiful as it sits there. I can't wait to resin that one. But thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.